In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any voice talk slower in ElevenLabs TTS. If you want your AI voice to sound more relaxed, easier to understand, or better suited for tutorials, storytelling, or longer videos, slowing it down is a great option. The good news is that ElevenLabs makes this very simple, and you can also fine-tune the pacing for even better results. To get started, open ElevenLabs. From the left-hand side, select Text-to-Speech. Once you are there, paste in your script or type it directly into the text box. Make sure your text is ready the way you want it spoken. Because the pacing and pauses will be influenced by the wording and punctuation you use. Next, look over to the right-hand side and go to the Settings area. Under Settings, select Voice, then choose the voice you want from the drop-down list. After the voice is selected, you'll be able to adjust how that voice performs. Now, find the speed slider. This is the main control you'll use to slow the voice down. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the speed. In ElevenLabs, the speed settings typically range from 0.7 to 1.2. If your goal is a slower and more natural delivery, set the slider somewhere between 0.7 and 0.9. A helpful tip here is not to push it too far right away. Moving the slider too close to 0.7 can sometimes make the voice sound robotic, stretched, or less natural. So instead of choosing the slowest option immediately, test a few settings in that range and listen carefully. Small changes can make a big difference, and the best setting often depends on the specific voice and the type of script you are using. If you want even more control, you can also slow the rhythm of the speech by editing the text itself. One method is to add ellipses or extra periods between words or phrases. This encourages the AI to take a short breath and insert a pause, which can make the delivery feel more deliberate. You can also use hyphens or dashes between words to create brief stops. This is useful when you want a sentence to feel more measured without changing the speed slider too much. These punctuation tricks are especially helpful when you want certain lines to sound calmer, more dramatic, or easier for listeners to process. Once everything sounds the way you want, click Generate Speech. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.